Hey guys, Seedoeatreview here with another chip taste test. What have we got, Mr. Seven? Welcome to the video.
We have got hot wings and wings.
And what's the brand? Smith. Smith Duo.
Alright, Smith Duo.
Hello, Mr. Ken.
Smith Duo beef burger
Mm-hmm.
and special sauce. I'm excited for the beef burger.
Mm.
I love burgers.
So these are the new Duo things. So they're going to have two different types of chips in there. Don't really say nothing about anything there, do they? Go for it. Open them up.
I think that one off because that has a hot one in it.
We'll see how hot they really are.
Can
Then.
I just...
You want to do that? We'll try that first. Good job.
Alright, I can smell both.
Let's smell.
I can really smell both.
Smells like barbecue to me.
Yeah. Alright, so let's see.
We don't know what we're going to get there, do we?
I think that's a dolphin one.
You just don't know and go for it.
I think I got beef burger.
Do you?
That's actually really good.
Really?
I think I got a beef burger one. I got beef burger.
I got special sauce.
I'm gonna try the special.
It's got that Big Mac type of sauce taste to it. Like almost tartare sauce. What do you think there, Mr. Seven?
I don't know which one I got, but
Yep.
I think it's special sauce. I think
Mm.
that, yeah, I know this is special sauce because it has the green bits in it.
You reckon?
And then the
You don't even
dolphin.
tell the difference.
And the dolphin.
I think they've all got bits on it though.
No, these are black bits,
These are pretty nice.
green bits.
Um,
And that's the beef burger one.
yeah.
You can definitely taste
The beef burger on top of a barbecue chip. Would you say that? How would you describe it?
This is a bit different to a barbecue chip.
I think you're right. He's a detective. Because I just pick him and eat him. But as you can see inside, these burgers are darker.
Not this one.
Yeah. No, you'll be able to tell.
That's lighter. I'm just setting
I don't
this.
know
which one I get that over.
They're pretty good, aren't they? Yeah. That was pretty bad. Did you like those? Or do you think I like them?
I like them.
Okay. Give it a sniff.
I'm gonna try ranch first. I think. No, I'm gonna try to get it.
I'm going to try to get a different one.
Oh, yep.
Okay.
Okay.
You can show the camera that? Yeah.
Yep.
So once again,
I'm gonna.
there's like a bit reddy, a bit darker,
Alright.
and then there's a lighter one. So I'll grab the hot wing.
Ranch. Ranch? I'm not sure. Hot wing is hot.
Yeah, it's not too bad though. Oh, it's a little bit. I can feel a little bit there. And then
Ranch
we'll
is
go up.
normal.
Ranch is normal. Ranch is like sour cream and onion.
Yeah.
Hot wing, I thought it tastes more chickeny. It's just like a chili chip, which comes on you at the end. Much more redder.
That's it. It's fine.
Yeah, it's hot, but it's not
It's not very hot.
too hot. I think I like the burger
Yeah.
and the special sauce better.
I think I like I like
The
it
ranch
hot.
in
Yeah.
this packet better,
Okay.
Ranch.
and the beef burger in this packet
Alright,
better.
that's getting hot.
Yeah, see, after you have a couple of hot wings, the chili gets on you. It stays in your mouth. It's not that, you feel the heat, but it's not super bad. But I want to, what if it's a hot wing? Do you count a hot wing as a chicken wing? Isn't it? A hot wing is a chicken wing. I want it to taste like chicken a bit.
But it's a bit more
Unless
hotter.
you're in Texas.
Yeah, but it doesn't even taste like a chicken chip. Do you think it tastes like a chicken chip? Or you can just taste the hot, can't you? Yeah, that's my disappointment out of it. Alright, which one's your favourite, guys?
For this packet is ranch,
Mm-hmm.
and for this packet is that.
Yep.
The other one's a special sauce. I like the special sauce in that. Alright guys, there you go. Duos. I think there's another one of Duos as well. Where'd I grab them from? Probably Woolworths, I think it is. They're not too bad. I probably wouldn't go back and grab them again. But
I think they did DUOS because they were done DUOS, but they spelled it DUOS.
That's how I do it though.
That's how it's spelled. How do you spell duos? You're looking.
DUOS.
Anyway, guys, after that spelling lesson, we'll leave it there. Cheers.